Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your entire Facebook activity log all at once. First, open your Facebook app on your phone. Now tap on the three dots or menu icon in the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. Inside the settings, scroll again and look for Activity Log. Tap on it. Here you'll see all your activities, posts you liked, comments, searches, profile views, and more. Now, normally you can delete these activities one by tapping the three dots next to each item and selecting Delete. But that's time-consuming if you have hundreds or thousands of activities. So instead, let's delete everything at once. Go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Meta Account Center. Inside this section, go to your Information and Permissions. Now, tap on your activity off Meta Technologies. Here, you'll see an option called Clear Previous History. Tap on it. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on Clear again to confirm. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more easy tutorials like this.